to delete Pinterest account. Pinterest is great for collecting and sharing images you love to the world. If the times comes you want to close your Pinterest account, you can do so easily following these steps. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Pinterest app. Here we go. Now at the bottom you can see your profile icon. Go to your profile. Now here at the top right corner you can see this three dots. Tap on that and go to the option settings. Now here you can see these options. Now you have to go to the option privacy and data, and then you have to scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option delete your data and account. Tap on that and then tap on continue. You have to give reason why you are leaving Pinterest account. Here I will be choosing I accidentally made another account and tap on send email. After you choose the region, now you have to close your Pinterest account and you have to open your email. Here we go. You can see this. Pinterest has sent me the email. You have to just tap on this and then tap on yes, delete account. You can see that my Pinterest account has been deleted. In this way you can easily delete your Pinterest account. I hope now you guys are clear about how to delete Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.